welcome, folks. We're here at the winners webinar to celebrate the winners of our most recent programming contest. As a reminder, this was vector search, generative AI, with a focus on agentic AI, so AI agents, and kind of a follow up to our previous AI contest. See what sort of advanced stuff folks could build. So first of all, thanks everybody for being here. This was a really exciting contest. I will admit I was a tiny bit nervous initially that folks might be burnt out on AI, or that they might be like, we already did this. But it turns out we got awesome submissions, really cool stuff, a very actually diverse array. People took very different approaches to the agentic AI topic, which I thought was very exciting. We actually had 15 applications submitted, which is pretty awesome. And we'll go over some of the winners, and then I can kick it over to folks who won to show off their chops, show off their projects, and say a little bit about themselves. Tom or Evgeny, anybody have anything else to say?
Yeah, Derek, I also wanted to highlight that, we were all nervous if it's totally a new topic, agentic AI, but there are like 15 submissions, and when some of the applications, they even leveraged MCP, which is very new technology, and it's very exciting to see it. Tom?
Yeah. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, we hear you.
I'm getting this notifications that I've screwed something up and my Riverside isn't working. So anyways, I just wanted to say thanks so much to everyone that participated. I was really impressed by all of the submissions. It was really hard to vote. I put that comment in the developer community, going through them and just really seeing what people were doing and how they were thinking about things was just really cool. So I am just very, very happy about this contest, and I hope that people had fun. It looks like people really got their juices flowing for this and made some great apps. So kudos.
Yeah. Totally agree. Yeah, it was really impressive. Awesome. So yeah, let's get right to it. Let's get to the stuff that folks really want to see. So first place is VG Iris Agent, which was a very cool approach to agentic AI. It kind of felt like this is going to be so cheesy, but like a Swiss Army knife kind of agent, which I thought was very neat. And then who do we have on the call? I don't think Elena is on the call, correct? Or is anybody here to speak for this one?
Georgii is, we can cover that, yeah?
Yes, perfect. Awesome. Yeah, I'll kick it over to you.
Yes, hello. Thank you very much. It was our first time that we participate in this contest. We were fighting, but we appreciate that you chose our project. Thank you.
Again, it was very difficult to choose a winner, but your solution is really impressive. So please, maybe can you describe what it does, and maybe do some demo, and also you can speak about yourself. It's a moment of fame, yeah. So please share with the whole audience what some words about yourself, about the team, and of course the application what it does, and how it moves the innovation to the future, or us to the future, please, and how Iris helps.
Okay, thank you. Yes, our team consists of 3 people. Myself, Yelena, and Alena. Me and Yelena, we developed this project, and Alena focused on testing. We just started working with InterSystems-iris and the object sweep only in March. We newcomers, we complete beginners, and this contest, with this participating, was our learning path to meet the InterSystems-iris platform and object sweep. About our project, it is the core idea is that ChatGPT and Cloudy two of the most advanced AI models can interact with existing iris system using custom GPTs or model context protocol. And AI can be integrated directly into iris-based application, like as a production. And users can manage and do some work with iris with natural language understanding and intelligent automation. Of course, our current application is not yet ready for real-world production. We understand that, but we think that it's just a first step, and in future, AI can provide meaningful support to developers in building complex intelligent solutions. Should I show some demo? Yeah, I'm already.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. I will share screen. Is it work now? Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, we can see your screen. Yeah.
Yes, this is how our production looks like. And this, after all setups, I can show you how work it with the Claude locally deployed project. So we can just ask him for show me list of users. And he show like this. We can maybe create some new user.
This is Claude desktop, right?
Yes, it's deployed locally with the local Iris platform.
Mm-hmm. And Claude works with Iris through the MCP, correct?
Yes. About ChatGPT, we use a custom ChatGPT bot. I will show you later. Just we create new user with name user test2. Okay. And we'll yeah, it's here.
And
it's good.
Georgii, I'm curious if this MCP can do everything. Like, for example, can you like delete user or create a new one?
Yes. We make short functional. Yeah, we can see this. What can do our Claude? Yes, and delete. Delete. Yes, he deleted it.
Awesome.
Yes, and about Iris agent in GPT. So we can ask him. So he will talk. ChatGPT is more talkative than Claude, and sometimes he asks some function that he can't do. So yes,
And
but now it's work.
Did you create a special agent in ChatGPT to make it happen, or do you use MCP for that, or could you please
No.
elaborate how it appears to be here? Okay.
I will show you. Yes, so we have an endpoint with the specification for open specification for this, and we just fill this form. We import URL link, and he take all his function, and this show us what he can do. There is no modern construct protocol, just APK for secure and URL link for his functionality.
So you say you just share it OpenAPI v3 like a Swagger specification to ChatGPT, and it works with that as an agent, right?
Yes.
Wow, looks great. So technically, we can just generate something versus data and just feed it to ChatGPT, and it will work, right?
Yes.
So,
No way. We can add some new functionality, and he will do this for us.
amazing.
That's awesome. Yeah, thank you for the demo, Georgii. That's awesome.
Thank you.
I love that it feels very modular, right? Like it's not one single solution, but it's an interconnected system, right, of all of these different functionalities. You can have it on the desktop, you can have it remote. So that's really great. Congrats. Sweet. Awesome. Yeah. Thanks so much for that. So that was our first place winner. Congratulations to you and the whole team. I think second place, Dmitry's not here on the call with us, so we unfortunately might have to skip our second place winner here. But yeah, I'll go ahead and kick it over to Yuri, who's on the call with us to talk about langchain-iris-tool. I think you might be muted. There we go. You're good.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Yuri. I'm from Brazil, system architect for projects in InterSystems areas in Brazil for some clients, and my application was made to langchain. I developed a langchain tool and integrate this tool with LLMs like Llama, and I used VectorDB from InterSystems to search, analyze, and discover iris classes. So Object-Script classes can be discovered using a chat, and Llama and VectorDB and my local code, you can ask about your classes. I will show to you now. Okay, I have a project here with some classes. Company class, an Object-Script, fake data is another class to generate fake data from existent data and using generative AI to generate more data. And I want to chat with my classes. I want to discover these classes using one intuitive chat. So I asked here, are there some class for company topic? And the answer was company class. That is this class company. And I asked about fake data. The class is about fake data. And the answer. DC, gen data, fake data. And discover the classes that are linked to fake data too. Yes, it's very interesting. And some other example. List the classes about generate data. I changed the semantic, and the response was more specific to GC, gen data, fake data. GC, gen data, fake data. Here. Okay. And was fantastic because it's a great solution using VectorDB and Olama to discover your classes. When you have a project with 100 of classes, is very good to have a chat to discover your classes. The implementation. Okay. I selected from dictionary, created a CSV, and loaded this CSV to the iris vector DB. I loaded the iris classes from a CSV. Loaded. Created the documents. Instantiates my Olama localhost. Embeds the documents. Save it in iris vector. And use it iris vector DB as a retriever to answer about my classes. Can I point to any other InterSystems iris project? And I have this chat to discover about my classes. And I have a function to get information about my iris server, like list server metrics and other functions listed here. Return server information, save globals, get globals, kill global values, and other functionalities into a langchain-iris-tool to use in any project. Okay, this is my project. Okay.
Yeah. Awesome, Yuri. I appreciate that. One thing that I thought was really interesting about your project as well, using Olama. I know I've had folks discuss the potential of using open source models where they maybe have a little bit more insight and control. Was that a motivating factor for you in this project?
Yes, I love it, Olama. The performance is good, and the sensitive data is very good using Olama because is a private environment.
Yeah.
And Olama using Mistral model was very good for performance, and the results are very good. I like it using Olama.
That's awesome. Yeah, thank you. Tom or Evgeny or anybody else, any other questions? No, awesome. Yuri, thank you so much. That was great. And congrats on being a winner in the contest. I think that's the last contestant who is on with us right now, but I do want to just shout out some of the other winners here for anybody watching this. from the future. Hello. So in fourth place is the Facilis app. And in fifth place is the Toot app. And both of those were also just kind of innovative solutions here. I have a personal affinity for the Toot app since it's a problem that I run into almost every day. Like remembering the melody of a song and just not really being able to get the words. And just the top 5 folks, I wanted to say just a thank you to the community as well for the very different approaches, a real diversity of like problems and solutions. Some folks implemented MCP, some folks took different approaches, different models, really just kind of testing the limits of a lot of this new technology. So shout out to all of you, and shout out to all the winners, top to bottom. If we could scroll right down to the community nomination real quick. Thank you so much, Irene. We do have a little bit of overlap, but also AI Assistant here is our #1 community nomination. And then Iris Data Analysis is another one that won in our community category. So a lot of folks really enjoyed the idea of analyzing your Iris instance in a more conversational way, which I thought was very funny. Feels like it replicates chatting with your senior colleague who knows a lot about the database and being able to ask questions and learn that way. So once again, congratulations to everybody. Thank you all for some awesome participation. Last call, anybody have any other closing thoughts?
I just want to mention again that I like how international is participants of our winners and those who and applicants and participants. So this time we had like folks from Georgia, Australia, Brazil, right? MENA. This is really amazing to see that our community is pretty international, and also that imagination of developers is pretty unstoppable. So yeah, so it's really great, and that you can leverage Iris with the most cutting edge technologies along with, and this is exciting to see. So yeah, so I hope this will be also inspiration for the whole community and for developers who will participate next time. Yeah, Tom? Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to underscore exactly what Evgeny said. Amazing diversity from everybody. And also, I just give encouragement to the people that didn't get a prize. I really want to give a shout out to the organizers that made this so fun to actually be a part of. I think for people that are participating, I kind of wish I could, but as an InterSystems employee, I can't. So really cool setup overall. And if you didn't win a prize, keep trying and keep engaged in this. It's really fun stuff, and just really grateful for all the hard work and effort that people put in. So thanks so much.
Yeah, awesome. Totally agree. Sooner or later, we will have, I'm sure, winners from all 7 continents on at the same time. That's a personal goal of mine. I don't know how much they're doing in Antarctica, but we'll see. That's all for all of us. Again, congrats to all the winners, and thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.